If you're struggling with patchy beard growth, then you're not alone. In fact, it's really common for a lot of men out there to experience uneven facial hair growth. But the goal of today's video is to give you guys some strategies that'll help you optimize your beard growth, or at least the appearance of your beard, with some tips and tricks. But first, let's get into why patchy beards occur in the first place and the causes of them, with the first and foremost reason of a patchy beard being your genetics. As we know, your genes play a huge role in the type of your beard hair, the thickness, the color, pretty much everything. And if patchy beards run in your family, then it may be just part of your genetic makeup, but that doesn't mean you have to accept it. Reason number two for beard growth or patchy beard growth is going to be your hormones, typically your testosterone level. Testosterone, as the quintessential male hormone, is the primary hormone responsible for beard growth in the first place. Low levels of testosterone, or DHT, which is a byproduct of testosterone, can lead to slower or more uneven hair growth. Next, let's talk about your age. Now, this one may not be what you think. A lot of people think that, like most things, your beard growth is going to be hindered as you get older, but that's actually not the truth. Beard growth typically improves as you get older, up to about the age of 35 to 40. And even if you're in your earlier mid-20s and you've technically stopped growing and you're an adult and everything like that, you may not have even reached your bearded potential yet. And last but not least, the thing that can hinder your beard growth is actually your health, exercise, diet, and that kind of thing. A poor diet, a lack of exercise, insufficient sleep, all of this can negatively impact your hair and beard growth. So although we can't change certain things like our genetics, let's talk about how we can optimize our beard growth in the first place with things we can control, or at least change the appearance of our beard to give it a more full appearance. With tip number one being, let your patchy beard grow. The biggest mistake that most guys out there make when they're trying to grow a beard is giving up too quickly, or shaving or trimming their beard too soon before you're able to actually see what kind of potential your beard has for growing. 99% of the time, a beard is going to look uneven when it's first growing. Just keep in mind that the longer you wait before deciding to keep or pursue the bearded life, the more likely you're going to be able to make an informed choice and may even be happier with the results you're getting from letting your beard grow out. The second tip we've got for you guys is brushing and styling your beard. Investing in a high quality beard brush or beard comb or some beard balm, which can give your beard some hold and keep all the hair kind of laying in the right direction, is going to make it easier for you to be happy with your beard's appearance, because you'll be training the hair to grow in a certain direction. You'll be getting rid of all the flyaway crazy hairs that can make your beard look patchy even when it isn't, because their hairs are sticking out and showing the skin as opposed to laying down and covering the skin. Therefore, brushing your beard daily or using kind of like a beard comb or some kind of styling product on your beard can actually really help the process and help the beard look fuller even if it's not. Tip number three is also going to be obvious. It's using beard health products. Now, these are beard health products, not styling products. We're talking about beard oil and we're talking about beard balm. Beard oil is pretty obvious. It nourishes your beard hair. It nourishes the skin underneath your hair and it gets rid of itchiness, flaking, redness, all that kind of stuff. This overall is going to improve your experience growing a beard and make you more likely to see it all the way through. Beard balm, on the other hand, actually mixes the hydrating from beard oil and the styling of beard wax. It offers you a light hold, which can help you control those beard hairs that decide to go crazy sometimes, and it can help you style your beard and give your hair a bit more of a thick appearance because everything is heading in the right direction. Tip number four is to improve your diet and your health. Your hair is actually made of protein, so increasing your protein intake and balancing out your dietary nutrition can help strengthen your beard, definitely. Using supplements even like biotin, which is a vitamin that you can find in eggs and nuts and whole grain. And don't forget your healthy fats like omega-3s and other things that you can find out there, which also support hair growth. It's like the more considerate you are of what you put in your body, the more you get out. You can even consider the supplements like I mentioned earlier with biotin. There are others like vitamin D, zinc, collagen, all of which can actually help enhance and promote hair growth and thickness. But of course, you should always at least consult your healthcare provider first. The next tip we have for you guys is one that I actually stand by 100%, which is trimming more smartly. If your beard isn't the way you want it to be, you may be tempted to shave it off complete, but trimming more strategically is a better option, because what you need to do is focus on shaping and trimming your beard to highlight the fuller areas. And this means trimming down those fuller areas in the meantime to match the thin or patchy areas. That way your beard looks even while you're allowing those thin and patchy areas to grow out. And then you can use larger and larger guards every time you trim. This gives the illusion of a fuller beard while you're allowing those patchy areas to grow. So all in all, what the culmination of all of this is being patient, really. Unfortunately, although it is rare, some patches in your beard may never fill in. There's a side of my beard right here, right off the side of my mustache, that I have never seen hair growth and don't expect to see hair growth anytime soon. In which case, patience and styling and doing like what we said before with these trimming tips and using those kind of beard styling products is going to be your best bet. If you guys like this video, please hit like and subscribe. We've got tons of other videos just like this on this channel. We even go deeper into like the types of beard you should wear for your face shape and this and that. So consider joining the channel by subscribing, following us, and we have other videos coming out every week. Once again, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.